height, speed, and devastating precision. For over 75 years, the United States Air Force has redefined the boundaries of human flight and national security. It is not just an organization, it is a global sentinel, maintaining dominance from the clouds to the edge of space. From its humble beginnings as a division of the Army to becoming the most technologically advanced air power on Earth, the mission has remained constant: to fly, fight, and win. Today, we look inside the machines, the strategy, and the people that command the skies. The story of the U.S. Air Force began long before it became an independent branch in 1947. Born from the lessons of two world wars, visionary leaders realized that whoever controls the air controls the battlefield. The Cold War pushed this evolution into overdrive. The introduction of the jet age, the sound barriers collapse by Chuck Yeager, and the birth of stealth technology changed the nature of warfare forever. The Air Force transitioned from massive formations of heavy bombers to surgical strikes using invisible aircraft. To maintain global reach, the Air Force relies on a diverse and lethal fleet. At the forefront are the fifth-generation fighters, the F-22 Raptor and the F-35 Lightning II. These aircraft are more than just planes. They are flying supercomputers capable of detecting enemies before they even appear on radar. But power is not just about combat, it is about logistics. The C-5 Galaxy and C-17 Globemaster can move entire Army divisions and humanitarian aid across oceans in hours. Meanwhile, the Global Strike Command ensures the nuclear triad remains a credible deterrent through the B-21 Raider and the aging yet iconic B-52 Stratofortress. In the 21st century, the battlefield has expanded. The Air Force was the pioneer of the space domain, birthing what is now the U.S. Space Force. Every GPS signal, every secure communication, and every weather satellite relies on the foundations built by Air Force Space Command. Simultaneously, the invisible war is fought in cyberspace. Air Force specialists defend critical infrastructure from digital attacks, ensuring that in a moment of crisis, the nation's digital nervous system remains intact. The modern airman fights with keyboards just as effectively as with flight sticks. Behind every sortie and every satellite launch are the people. Over 300,000 active duty members, mechanics, engineers, analysts, and pilots work in a symphony of precision. It is their dedication to the core values: integrity first, service before self, and excellence in all we do. Training is relentless. From the classrooms of the Air Force Academy to the grueling red flag exercises in the Nevada desert, the goal is perfection, because in the air there is no room for second place. As we look toward an uncertain future filled with hypersonic missiles and AI-driven wingmen, the U.S. Air Force continues to adapt. It remains the world's premier aerospace force, a guardian of freedom, and a pioneer of the unknown. Aim high, fly, fight, win.
blocked this off, so now it's only going through here.
Gotcha.
That'll be for afterwards.